Could MrBeast, the king of YouTube, really be the savior of TikTok? That's what the internet is buzzing about after a bold statement from Jimmy himself. Here's what happened. MrBeast recently tweeted, "Okay, fine, I'll buy TikTok so it doesn't get banned." This came right after rumors of Elon Musk buying TikTok were debunked. The US government has been considering banning TikTok, leaving millions of creators and fans worried. And just like that, MrBeast stepped in, offering to buy the platform to save it. Netizens are now debating who's better suited to own TikTok, Elon Musk or MrBeast? Jimmy also revealed that since his tweet, many billionaires have reached out to him to discuss the idea. The reactions online are wild. One user said MrBeast will actually pull this off, while another added, maybe Elon should step in instead. The debate is on fire. Will MrBeast really buy TikTok and save it from a US ban? Or is this just another viral moment? Either way, the idea of TikTok being owned by the world's biggest YouTuber is pretty insane. Drop your thoughts in the comments. MrBeast or Elon Musk? Who should buy TikTok? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this epic saga.